Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, US Classic Collections.
Coming to one piece collection, clothing collection, what we have is this one. Georgette fabric.
Okay, net.
Yeah. Inside you'll be getting an inner also.
Okay.
550 rupees. In this we have so many colors also. Green, yellow, pink. They are all free size. Like they
Okay.
fit from small to large easily.
Okay.
Yeah. Next model what we have is this one. This is a
Long
chiffon.
maxi.
Yeah, maxi dress, sleeveless, chiffon fabric. 1200 rupees this is.
1200 rupees.
Maxi dress, this one piece collection also they start from 500 to 1200 max.
Okay.
But 1200 ones will be like this long ones. They give a quite party wear look. This is also 1200 rupees. In this we have sizes small to XL.
Okay.
If you are looking for anything cotton, 3/4 length this is. This one is of rupees 850.
850 rupees.
Yeah. In this we have sizes medium to XL.
XL.
Yes. Again coming to sleeveless, one more party wear, normal
Okay.
model. Daily wear casual model.
Okay.
800 rupees.
800 rupees.
Small to large size. This is again of free size. Small to medium size only
Okay.
it fits. But this one is of rupees 900.
900 rupees.
In these also we have colors like this. 4-5 colors. Next, if you are looking for anything dangri model, so like this,
Okay, 2 piece.
950 rupees. T-shirt also attached. Inside you will be
Okay.
getting separate. And dangri, it comes till knee length.
Okay.
This is also
950
free
rupees.
size. Yeah, free size, small to large.
Colors available.
Yes, so many colors. Grey color, pink color I showed, black.
Black.
If you want dark blue, anything in stripes, so many varieties what
Okay.
we have.
950 rupees.
950 rupees only, maroon color. Next model what we have is this one. Party wear, look at views.
Okay.
Chiffon fabric. 1050 rupees. Small to large, free size.
Okay.
If you are looking for again anywhere casual model like this. Medium knee length size
Knee
frock.
length size.
Yeah. This one is of rupees 650.
650 rupees.
Yes. Like this again. 800 rupees model.
Okay.
Knee length frock. Small to large sizes are available in this. Anything in
Long maxi.
animal, yeah, long. Animal print, 850 rupees only.
Okay.
Free size, small to large. Next, if you are looking for any maxi dress model, we have like this. Maxi dress is also full.
Okay.
Chiffon fabric. You'll be getting an inner also inside.
Cost
750 rupees.
750
only.
rupees.
Yes. In this we have so many prints and all. Prints, different models. This
Okay.
one is for 850. This model is a little different. If you are looking for off shoulder, 750 rupees.
750 rupees.
Yes. Gown model. Same.
Each and every piece is different.
Yeah, each and every model you'll be getting different variety. If you are looking for something like this model, 1000 rupees.
1000 rupees.
This one is 3/4 length.
We have jeans tops also.
Yes, we have jeans tops as well. I'll show them. If you are now in Hyderabad, winter is coming, no?
Yeah.
So knitwear collection we have pretty good ones. This one is of 850 rupees.
850 rupees.
Small to large size, easily it fits. In this we have many colors again. Full sleeves.
Okay.
Next, anything in crop model also we have. Crop tops model.
Crop tops.
Full sleeves, but this one is also for rupees 850.
850.
Yes. In this also we have colors.
Okay.
White and cream and black. Anything in like this model, 450 rupees. Crop top model.
Crop tops.
Yeah. Next, if you are looking for any more crop tops, what we have is this. 450 rupees. Many colors we have in this. Pink. You can take a look also here. For crop top model, what we have is this one. 600 rupees.
600 rupees.
These are all knitwear. Small to large size it fits easily. This model. Knitwear. Small to large size it fits. 650 rupees.
650 rupees.
Yes. Anything in full sleeves, balloon sleeves model.
Okay, 650 rupees.
This one is also 650. In each one of them you will be getting like this many colors.
Okay.
White, black. This is a different model. If you are looking for more crop tops like this, it has a crisscross design from behind. 450 rupees only.
450 rupees.
Yeah. In these you'll be getting 3 more colors.
Okay. Green color, peach color, blue color.
Yes. If you are looking for again crop top model, balloon sleeve, 700 rupees. One more color. There's one brown color as well.
Okay.
Like this collection keeps on restocking. Every 15 days
Okay,
you'll be
every
getting to see
15 days
new
we have
models.
restock.
Yeah, this model will be sold out anyhow soon. 700 rupees.
Okay.
If you want to order anything online, we take online orders as well. On WhatsApp you can contact us, or
Yes.
on Instagram also. This one is of 700 rupees. We take delivery charges.
Yeah.
Not much, just 100 rupees, 100, 150
Okay,
like that.
okay.
Depends on the amount of quantity what
Yeah.
you take. These are all free size. Small to large they fit easily. 850 rupees.
Okay.
More colors if you want. There's one black. We have all types of models. T-shirts. T-shirts start from
Okay.
300. And if you're looking for long sleeves tops, sleeveless tops,
Okay.
everything. This one is for rupees 600. Buttons model. In this we have around 10 colors. You
Okay.
can see. So many colors we have. This is again another model. 800 rupees. Same small to large size, it fits easily. Completely
Every
knitwear.
piece is different.
Every piece is
completely.
different. If you want, you can see this top. 800 rupees.
Okay.
We have worn it to our mannequin also. If you come a little front, like this. We have torn jeans as well.
Okay, jeans is also available.
Yes, jeans are also available. They start from 800 and go up till 1100, 1200
Okay.
rupees. We have skin fit jeans,
Okay.
straight fit, wide leg, mom fit, high waist jeans like that. 4-button high waist.
Okay.
That is just for rupees 950. Completely stretchable and ankle length.
Okay.
If you want any sleeveless spaghetti tops, 460 rupees.
460 rupees.
Yes, we have many tops. Next coming, if you're looking for scarf tops, quite in trend right now. Like this, we have many models. 400 rupees.
400 rupees.
Yeah, you can tie it from back. Many prints we have.
Jeans coats, can you show?
Yeah, we have denim jackets also as well. This one is for rupees 520.
520.
Yes, just 520 rupees. Jeans jacket they start from 520 and range up to 650, 800 like that also.
Okay.
See, this is the 800 rupees model. In this sizes are available.
Okay.
Small to XL. We have colored jackets also. Different colors you'll be getting. Torn jackets. This one is for 600 rupees.
Okay.
If you are looking for hoodies are also available. 750 rupees.
750 rupees.
Yeah. In these we don't have sizes, but they are all free sizes.
Okay.
Medium and large size they easily fit. These ones. 750 rupees. Many prints we have. one more.
Okay.
750 rupees again. Crop hoodie. Again, if you are looking for sleeveless tops like this, embroidered, 700 rupees only. Like this, we have tops. Many colors we have in these. If you are looking for night suits are also available to us here.
Okay.
600 rupees set.
Total set
Yes,
600
t-shirt
rupees.
and capri.
Yeah.
600 rupees. Medium size this is.
Okay. Sizes available?
Yes, sizes are available. Till XL size you'll be getting night suits over here.
Oh, okay.
More prints if you want anything in checks print.
Okay.
T-shirt. They are all good for
Yeah.
nightwear. 600 rupees set. 3/4.
3/4 pants. Okay.
Yeah. If you are looking for anything like this, button models, they are also available.
Okay.
Shirt model, 750 rupees set. You'll be getting like this. Full pant this is.
Okay.
Both shirt and pant you'll be getting set. We have prints also. In this also we have sizes till XL size.
Oh, okay. 750 rupees.
750 rupees. Different prints we have. Anything in satin cloth. Nowadays they are in trend.
Okay.
Shirt and one pant. Very comfortable.
Yeah.
800 rupees set.
800 rupees set.
Yes. We have prints in these. 3-4 prints we have.
Today we are showing only sample only.
Yeah. Only sample ones. We have so many collection like this over here. If you want to see, take a look at the accessories more for kids. Like this. They are all 30 rupees, 40 rupees each. Anything if you want for putting your makeup accessories and stuff.
Cost
350 rupees.
350 rupees.
350 rupees set you'll be getting.
Okay, 3.
Set of 3 pouches. See, we take online orders.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
are shipping. Today it's gonna be shipped. That's it.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ షాప్లో ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ కలెక్షన్ చూస్తున్నాం. స్టర్ట్స్ కలెక్షన్. ప్రైస్ 150 రూపీస్. డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కలర్ అస్సలు పోవంట. ఒకసారి లుక్ చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ స్టర్ట్స్ కలెక్షన్ 165 రూపీస్. ఇది 190 రూపీస్. $150 రూపీస్. 165 రూపీస్. 160 రూపీస్. 160 రూపీస్. మ్యాక్సిమం 200 లోపే ఉన్నాయి. మీకు ఈ కలెక్షన్లో ఏదైనా నచ్చితే స్క్రీన్ పైన ఉండే నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. 165 రూపీస్. రింగ్స్ కలెక్షన్ చూస్తున్నాము. $170 రూపీస్. 145 రూపీస్. 165 rupees. 165 rupees. 190 rupees. 145 రూపీస్. 140 నుంచి స్టార్టింగ్ 200 లోపే ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ కలెక్షన్ చూస్తున్నాం మనం. హ్యాంగింగ్స్ 195 రూపీస్ ఇది. ₹185. జస్ట్ శాంపుల్ పీసెస్ మాత్రమే చూపిస్తున్నాం ఇవాళ. 165 రూపీస్. 195 రూపీస్. 180 రూపీస్. 175 రూపీస్. 170 rupees.
If any of our customers are willing to want to place orders, you can contact us on our WhatsApp numbers that will be displayed on the screen.
Okay.
And if you want to place orders or view our catalog on Instagram also, you can give us a follow. There every day we'll be uploading new collection. We'll be taking online orders through video call as well, and we'll take a certain delivery cost, but that's it.
ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటే కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కాంటాక్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చినాము, వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఇలా మరెన్నో వీడియోస్ చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారా మన ఛానల్లో? అయితే మన ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు ప్రెస్ బెల్ ఐకాన్.